Yeah, my name's Kevin Sparrow. I'm the Secretary of the Australian Plant Society Warrnambool Group. Warrnambool was colonised over land, not from the ocean, and people brought their cattle and sheep along and basically let them loose. That very quickly stripped the vegetation. But along here, in Granny's Grave area, it would have been stripped too, but for some reason the vegetation wasn't completely removed. We're standing in the middle of what is essentially the last stand of the Correa reflexes that we could find. The Correa reflexes occur all over the place, from New South Wales, Victoria, South Australia down to Tasmania, but wherever you go they do vary a bit. So you get different forms, and this one is quite unique. We registered the Correa Granny's Grave, and that was accepted as a cultivar because it was different to what else was available. So if you go anywhere in Australia and you find Correa Granny's Grave, well, it came from here.
I'm Dave Hanscom, President of the Australian Plant Society Warrnambool chapter. So we're in partnership with Deakin, we're in partnership with the Warrnambool City Council. We're establishing ex situ populations from material we've collected from this site, so that if something happens to the population here, we've got a remnant that we can propagate from and reintroduce. The idea is that we save the genetics of this particular plant. If you look around where you are now at Deakin, it's got a fabulous garden, a fabulous native garden, plants from all over the country. That becomes a really important resource for learning about diversity. I mean, if you look at things like the Correa reflexa, it flowers over the winter months when food sources are scarce. So things like honey eaters rely heavily on plants like that for their main food source over the colder months. But everyone can replicate that and do their bit to help conservation.